Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 portable welders you can buy right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional welder, these compact and powerful machines are sure to impress. We'll break down their features, performance, and value to help you make the best choice for your needs. All the links to these products are in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5 is the HG NVGZ handheld welding machine. This welder offers a solid 20 to 120 amps output with 6 variable current adjustments, making it great for small to medium welding projects. The IGBT inverter technology ensures a stable arc performance, while the hot start and anti-stick features make it beginner-friendly. It's also equipped with safety features like overheat protection and a robust cooling system, ensuring reliable operation even during extended use. Design-wise, this unit is one of the more compact options, weighing just 3.3 pounds. Its sleek grayish-black finish adds a professional look, and the ergonomic design allows for one-handed operation, ideal for overhead or tight-space welding projects. Accessories include 20 welding rods, gloves, a ground clamp, and a handy carry case, making it a complete starter kit. While it's a great option for DIY enthusiasts and light repair work, it does fall short for heavy-duty applications due to its lower power capacity compared to others on this list. However, at $78.19, it offers great value for small-scale projects. Pros include its portability, user-friendly design, and safety features. Cons: limited versatility with thicker metals. Overall, it's a reliable pick for hobbyists and beginners. At number 4, we have the Saker Portable Welding Machine. This unit stands out for its advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring smooth arc starts and consistent power output. With a 20 to 120 A adjustable current and 5-level rotary knob, it's perfect for both fine and heavy-duty welding tasks. It also accommodates rod sizes from 3/32 to 1/8, making it versatile enough for various metals like stainless steel and carbon steel. The design is both lightweight and compact, weighing only 3.3 pounds. It's user-friendly, with ergonomic features that make one-handed operation a breeze. The Saker welder comes fully equipped with gloves, a welding mask, a ground clamp, a carry bag, and 20 welding rods, so you're ready to get started immediately. The built-in cooling system and hot start function add to its reliability and ease of use. Priced at $93.49. It's slightly more expensive than some competitors, but the added features and accessories justify the cost. Pros include its stable performance, portability, and beginner-friendly operation. However, it's relatively new on the market, which means fewer long-term user reviews. If you're looking for a well-rounded, portable welder for DIY and professional tasks, this is worth considering. In the number 3 spot is the Hippo Super Mini Portable Welding Machine. This is the most affordable option on our list, coming in at just $56.99. But don't let the price fool you. It packs a punch with its adjustable 20 to 200 A output. It's ideal for home repairs and DIY projects, especially for lighter materials like mild steel and cast iron. The included 20 welding rods and chip hammers make it a great starter kit. This welder boasts a compact, lightweight design at only 3.7 pounds, making it easy to carry around. Its IGBT inverter technology ensures stable performance, while features like hot start and anti-stick make it beginner-friendly. Safety is a priority, with built-in protections for overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating. While it's an excellent budget-friendly choice, the Hippo is better suited for light-duty tasks and may struggle with heavy-duty applications. Pros include its unbeatable price, portability, and ease of use. The cons? Limited power for thicker metals and a slightly less durable build. If you're new to welding or need a secondary machine for small projects, this is an excellent pick. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the TOP5 Portable Handheld Welding Machine. Priced at $109.98, this welder offers professional-grade precision with its innovative IGBT inverter technology. The 20 or 120A adjustable current allows for a wide range of applications, from delicate repairs to heavy-duty welding. It's compatible with 3/30 seconds or 3/8 rods and features a hot start and anti-stick system, making it suitable for all skill levels. What sets the TVGO apart is its exceptional design. Weighing just 3.8 pounds, it's the lightest machine on this list. Its ergonomic build ensures comfort during extended use, and the 360-degree cooling system adds to its durability. Accessories, like a ground clamp, welding cable, and user manual are included, so you're ready to go out of the box. User reviews consistently praise its performance and reliability, with a 4.9-star rating to back it up. While it's the most expensive option here, the TVGO delivers unmatched quality and versatility. Pros include its professional-grade performance, lightweight design, and robust safety features. The only con? The price may be steep for casual users, but for anyone serious about welding, this is the ultimate portable machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in finding the perfect portable welder for your needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.